Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. This video today is going to show how to make your own branded boxes for packaging and shipping. The first thing to do is to get the image in Design Space and then to get the sizing correct. So as you can see, I did this off of my phone actually. So this is from the Design Space on an iPhone, and I was able to get both images, and these are the logos, my logos that I have, and so I just opened them in Design Space, got the sizing right, and then sent them off to print. The box that I'm using is a 9 by 6 by 2. Those are all in inches. And here comes the fun part, weeding. So I've seen some people that leave it on the mat and weed. I prefer to take the vinyl off the mat and weed. Weeding, to me, sometimes it's also very therapeutic. It is tedious, and you do, especially with the smaller letters, it does take more time, and you have to be very careful not to rip, like if the font sizing is small. But all in all, it's not hard. It's just a process that's very tedious. After I've completed weeding, I use the transfer paper to transfer the vinyl onto the box. The transfer paper I use is Vivid. I find it to be the best. I don't have any issues with anything sticking to the actual vinyl sheet. I find that everything comes off perfectly onto the transfer paper, which makes life so much easier, especially when you do have very tiny details or very tiny pieces of vinyl. It's just very annoying to try and pick it off of the backing of the vinyl, and it's much easier when it just transfers onto the transfer paper. And drum roll please, as you'll see, this is more of branding that I've done myself, and here is the finished product. As you can see, it came out very nicely.